Good morning everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this Bitcoin price analysis. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, guys. A new pattern is unfolding right now. We can trade this. Actually, I'm currently also scaling into a nice long position because I think that we're gonna see a big move incoming. Make sure to be trading over on KCEX exchange because completely zero fees if you're a market maker. So if you're opening up limit orders, then you're gonna pay zero fees while you're trading, guys. So doesn't matter futures trading, spot trading, make sure to be using KCEX exchange. If you're doing market orders, then you're just gonna pay 0.01% fee, which is also the cheapest that I have seen overall the crypto space. And also KCEX exchange, guys, this great exchange that I'm using since years, never failed to basically be overloaded or not accessible even during this dump that we have seen. And right now, of course, after such a big flash crash, new opportunities are upcoming, guys, and that's why, of course, I'm currently trading again with leverage here on KCEX exchange. Sign up link right here at the top, guys. Make sure to be using my sign up link to get the maximum deposit bonuses out there, and of course also to support the channel. So welcome everyone on board. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel. And yes, guys, we're gonna select the lucky winner of the $100 giveaway in this specific video. You know that we're gonna do with every 1,000 subscribers a nice $100 for you guys, for everyone that is active in this channel, that is always commenting, subscribing, leaving a like, sharing the videos, and so on. So the more active you are, the more I see you here, the more hertz I can give you. Then of course, the more likelier it is I'm gonna select you as the lucky winner of the next $100 giveaway. And even if you already won once, you can still win, because just the more active I see you, the more likelier it is I'm gonna give you $100 giveaway. And guess what, guys? We are at 2,720 subscribers. So thank you very much for your great support, guys. The next $100 giveaway is right in front of us as soon as we reach 3,000 subscribers. So make sure to be part of our crypto family here, guys. And of course, also check out all links in the video description to all exchanges that I'm using. Always use several exchanges, never only one. And of course, also if you are interested in new cryptos that are upcoming right now during this next altcoin season, or at least during this next Q4 2025, that in my opinion still has the chance to be a great one. If certain things are happening that we're gonna cover in this video, then of course also check it out, because Bitcoin Hyper again is breaking new records, and also now this stage is already sold out. Now we have to wait until the next stage before you can again buy more into Bitcoin Hyper. The link is of course here in the video description if you want to check it out. I'm gonna put it right at the top, because right now this one is of course extremely hyped, this new layer 2 of Bitcoin that is upcoming, basically the best of Solana and Bitcoin combined. And we're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, of course, why I'm currently trading, because we are forming here a nice new pattern that we're gonna have a look into the targets, of course. But first of all, guys, let's select the lucky winner of the next $100 giveaway. And keep in mind, guys, that everything here in the crypto space is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my own opinions, my own TA, my own analysis here in the crypto market. So always do your own research as well. But of course, since 2017, we have been doing great. And if you want to be following me also in the other social media platforms like X, TikTok, Telegram, Rumble, and so on, check them out. Even on BitChute and Odyssey, those are kind of new YouTube channels that are out there. Decentralized YouTube channels, guys, so check them out, of course, and join also our great Discord family over here, because also here we have a great community. So make sure to be everywhere basically subscribed. And now, guys, let's select the lucky winner, and this time it's going to be someone that is here basically since the beginning, and also always commented in every single video, most of the times even as the first commenters here in each video. And thank you of course for all your great support and all your nice comments. We collected 45 comments here, guys, so thank you very much. And the next $100 giveaway video, of course, will be announced once we reach 3,000 subscribers. So share this channel and this video, of course, with all your friends. And the lucky winner of this $100 giveaway will be Blockchain Explorer. Congratulations, my friends. You have been around here since many time, basically since the beginning of this channel, and you never won. So that's why this time it's your time, my friend. And I'm going now here to comment. And in this video here, I'm gonna put at the top my Telegram link, so you can contact me over there. So you have to verify that it's actually you that won. And then, of course, I'm gonna distribute the giveaway. And keep in mind, for everyone that wants to participate on this giveaway, you must sign up with my link on KCEX exchange, because I'm gonna distribute the $100 here from this account to your UID, and your UID must be in my contact list, so in my affiliate links basically. So you have to sign up with my link, because like that I can transfer you the money instantly without paying any fees and nothing. So I have to check that. So make sure to be signing up. Even if you have already an account, you can make a new account with the sign up link, because here no KYC, nothing is needed. So you need to have a KCEX account. I hope you have it, Blockchain Explorer. Otherwise, of course, feel free to do that, because KCEX can be done from everywhere in the world. And even if not, there is also, of course, here the Pure VPN link to this VPN that I'm using in the crypto space. This one is, of course, great whenever you're traveling. You can get access to all exchanges and all projects that you want. So congrats, bro. You have won this time 100. You have won this time. Let's do like this. Okay. And this one, and this one, and this one. Okay. So let's comment, and yes. So by the time you're getting this comment, hopefully you already contacted me, but I'm gonna drop the video as soon as possible. At the top is the Telegram link, and for all the ones that are trying to be an imposter of Blockchain Explorer, don't worry guys, there is no chance that you can scam or get it, because I always prove that on Telegram with you that you're the actual owner of this account, and then of course I can verify the real winner and not the fake one. So don't try to scam, just comment in every video, and in the future maybe you're gonna be the lucky winner of the next $100 giveaway that we're gonna do, of course, here in this channel. So be subscribed, guys. And now let's dive straight into Bitcoin. We're gonna keep it short, guys, because as I told you, we are at decision point right now. Bitcoin needs to prove that we are still in a bull run, that we still can expect much higher price levels for Bitcoin, and of course also for new all-time highs. And therefore, of course, we need to see as soon as possible new all-time highs and a big breakout to the upside. And in my opinion, that is possible, because if you go into the line chart with the collected data that we have right now, so what happened now in the last couple of hours and days in the immediate short term, we can now see that Bitcoin has, of course, here a clear trend line. We have here a clear resistance that is coming down and a clear support that is rising here. So we are going to squeeze between here until we're gonna see the big breakout, latest probably, yeah, towards the end of this week. And this will determine if we're going to see a breakout to the upside or to the downside. And now we can already do a measurement here in which direction, and of course also what kind of targets that we can estimate here depending on where and when we're going to break out. So let's estimate we're going to break out to the upside in the next coming days. For example, on Friday, if we break out here to the upside, we could see eventually even new all-time highs during this weekend, or eventually at least come up to test the all-time high again. Maybe even create a double top or something like that, or just start to consolidate above 120k would be great, of course. But this breakout here, if it's going to be somewhere, even at the apex here, to the upside, this could be, of course, extremely bullish for Bitcoin and even take us towards new all-time highs. Of course, here we're gonna face a lot of resistance, because this was previous support, our new resistance at around $122,000. That is, in my opinion, a very strong resistance right now. So watch out for that if we see, for example, a very fast move to the upside here. So if we see here a breakout to the upside, that could be, of course, a big game changer for the next coming weeks and months, that we're going to see a very explosive Q4 of 2025. But if we're going to break out to the downside, then I'm afraid, guys, that even here at the apex, then I'm afraid that we're going to drop down towards our bearish targets at around 100k next, before eventually we bottom out definitely and then gear up for the next big move to the upside. Also here we have the 200 daily moving average at around 107k. This previous blue resistance trend line is still our support. So that's a good sign, but of course we shouldn't go lower than that, because you can also see here the 50 weekly moving average at 100k, basically our target that we have of this crash or little corrective phase that we have. Because every time that we dumped here, every time we bottomed out at the 50 weekly moving average, and currently it is at around 100k. So watch out for that, guys. Those are the next targets. I tend more to see a bullish breakout here to the upside because of this flash crash that we had. Also time-wise, it makes sense that we should see bullish price action right now, October, November, December, and so on. And also the indicator scars are looking great in the lower time frames, because in the 4 and 3 hour time frame, we are in oversold condition down here. Of course, money flow is not so good, it's still negative, but the indicators are now shifted to the upside after being oversold here. So it is possible. We are forming here a double bottom formation. In theory, yeah, consolidation pattern, indicators in oversold condition. So that means it is possible that we're gonna see here a bullish breakout next. That's why I'm taking this opportunity. I'm longing currently here on KCEX exchange as I told you guys, no fees to be paid if you open up or close with limit orders. Even if you go market, even if you click in and out, in and out, in and out all the time, 0.01% fees is nothing, guys. It's the cheapest here in the crypto space that I have discovered, and I'm trading on different exchanges like Bybit, Mexi Global, Fimex, Bit5, PrimeXBT, and so on. By the way, here you can even trade gold if you want, for example, to trade gold. But on KCEX exchange, really easy and simple. Just leverage trading, spot trading, that's it. Of course, also high risk if you trade with leverage. You also can get liquidated depending on your X here. The more or the less X you go, the more risk, of course, here, even up to 125x. Here on this trade, I'm going in with 11x. So always do your own research, of course, no financial advice, but there is always risk involved in whatever you do in the crypto space, guys. That's why always do your own research. But in my opinion, this is the TA for now. I think here we have a great chance to see more upside in the next coming days. And if it's gonna end up in new all-time highs, then I think we have good chances that the altcoins also will recover. So that means that the altcoins like Ethereum, Tron, Solana, and so on, all the ones that got decimated like crazy here, they have the chance to come back, and the comeback will be huge then. But of course, we will see what happens then, depending what Bitcoin is doing, because we need first to see new all-time highs for Bitcoin. If no new all-time highs for Bitcoin, no altcoin season, no altcoin recovery, and this is unfortunately how it is currently. This is the situation. That's why the show is currently over on Bitcoin, guys. Alright, with that said, I'm going to wrap it up for now, guys. We're going to have this update on Bitcoin Hyper in a separate video, so make sure to be tuned in. And of course, also if you want to get on board into Bitcoin Hyper, if you're interested, guys, the link is here in the video description. Make sure to tune in here. In my opinion, a no-brainer. I'm just waiting for the launch, which is also estimated to be towards the end of this year, early next year. That's why perfect timing, in my opinion. Most likely, it is coming out maybe at the top of the bull run. We will see, but I'm bullish here for Bitcoin Hyper, guys. This new layer 2. A lot of people are currently getting on board, and that's why don't miss out on Bitcoin Hyper, link in the video description. And also make sure to be active in this channel, so maybe you're gonna get the next $100 giveaway that we do here with every 1,000 subscribers. So let me know if you're taking this trade or not, guys. Thank you for watching, stay tuned, be subscribed, and see you all in the next one. Bye for now.